Here's some sound effects. Keyboard typing effect. Mouse clicking effect. Bottle falling effect. Banging on a door effect. Knocking on the door. Banging hardly on the door. And that's it for the sound effects today. But here's one last one. And here's just some special sound effects that you can use for your videos. I'll leave the download link in the description. And here's one more sound effect that is so weird. Me falling. Help me! They'll actually use this part in the video. But there you go.